guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more upcoming content. So today is my pre-talking videos. So I'm going to do some more videos for you guys. So this weekend is gonna be totally different for my traveling vlogs. So I write some ideas. So I write some ideas. I didn't write like whole ideas because I don't know what we're doing yet. So I write some ideas. I know you guys can see it better, but I'm gonna show you guys right here. So there it is. You guys can't see it, but it's right there. I write it all down. So yeah, tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna talk to you guys about my So I already crossed one out for my pre-talking. So yeah. So and then what's in my traveling bag? Series 1 blog 1. So that's gonna be tonight because I can't do it tomorrow because she's coming at 1 tomorrow to pick me up. So I can't do it tomorrow because I need to charge my GoPro battery. So I got this for Christmas, and so it's really handy. So it's for a GoPro 12 and other new ones. That's a big semi, whatever that is. And then a short mini vlog, series 3. I should have put episode 3 because it makes more sense. And then the hunting Molly Brown museum, series 2 episode 1. So that's gonna be an amazing vlog because I know you guys want me to do hunting videos like ghost hunting. So stay tuned for that. And then a tiny restaurant, series 2. Episode 2, so that's gonna be amazing vlog. And then I think she mentioned me that we're gonna do like a church tour museum, so I can get to know the word history about the church. So I'm gonna totally do a video of that and some pictures if they let me. So I didn't write any more details because I have some more, and I'm gonna put this to the movie. So these are really good. If you guys like these are really freaking good. I actually love these. These are really freaking good. I don't know where I got these. I think I got these at Kohl's, I think. But these are really freaking good. I can't eat that much chocolate though because I break out and I get sick. So I eat white chocolate. It's better than but my favorite desserts, if you guys don't know me, I love creme brulee. It's the bomb. And I love pumpkin cheesecake because I had that on my birthday last year. It was really good. I don't know where my mom got it from, but it was really freaking good. And so I have to be really careful with chocolate now because the meds I'm on, I get really sick, like stomach aches pretty bad. But yeah, so I'm going to the movies. I'm seeing like this alien movie. It's called Project something, and I'm really excited. It's a 2-hour movie, so I just want to get out of the house before I go to my friends tomorrow. And then I want to see the Scream movie, but that's kind of dumb because I went and saw the last Scream movie, and it was kind of stupid. It's like the same thing over and over and over. But I'm really excited about this movie because I love science. I love science. Science is just not all about paranormal. It's like I like science, like earth movies, and because that's why I go to the NASA museum in Texas. Because before I went on our cruise last year, but we didn't have time because you have to get on board early because you have to go through freaking security. You have to check your bags and stuff before you go online. It was a total mess, but maybe next time in the future I could go to the NASA museum because I don't know what states they have them. because I know we don't have them here, because you usually have them in Texas, California, Florida. I don't know about Las Vegas, they probably do, but somewhere around there. They probably have them like in that coast area, because that's where they do like those NASA live when the spaceship takes off, like in their missions. So that's why. So yeah, so this is my free talking video for the day, and stay tuned for the night for what's in my traveling bag. And then stay tuned for more videos this weekend. I'm staying there for like 3 or 4 days. Because I always stay like 2 days, because I don't do videos if it's like short days. I don't want to waste the energy for posting that many videos. So yeah, I'm not doing anything because I want to get dressed, get ready before I leave, and so I can see the movie, and then come back home and do the video, and then rest for the night, and then charge my stuff and get my stuff packed for the night, and go to bed early, fresh up for the next morning, and then go from there. So I guess my mom told me that she's coming at 1 p.m. So, cause she's from like she's from like way up there, and then and she's like 3 hours away from us, so that's not bad. Better when I go to my grandma's, cause it's like a 7-hour drive. But worse than Texas is like, so I'm not doing that again. Like, I don't mind traveling. I prefer flying an airplane if we're traveling somewhere long, like a long distance. If you want to travel, like you want to do, like big vacations, I rather fly an airplane just instead of driving that many hours to waste on gas. But my mom's really don't like flying because of her fears, but I understand. She has like bad anxiety than I do. Like, I don't mind flying or driving. I'm not that picky. Like, if I want to see, what's it called? Sightseeing. Like, I had never seen sightseeing like in different states. I don't mind. But, yeah. Like, I would have been to California like 3 or 4 times. I like getting annoyed with it. I've only been to Vegas twice, and I don't like it because it's overrated and it's too expensive. I've only been to Phoenix, I think, once or twice. And then, I don't want to go to somewhere the same thing. It gets boring after a while. Like, I want to go to Oregon or Washington or Florida, but Florida is so freaking humid. It won't look good on my face because I break out, and it's not good on my lids. And I don't like the sun because I get overheated, and because of the beds I'm on, and it's just sick. Like, I get sick, and like, it's just not good, but I have to get over it. Like, I don't mind sitting in the sun. I get tan like that, but oh well, it's just part of nature. But anyways, I'm gonna end this pre-talking vlog here, and then I'm gonna make another video when I get home from the movies, because it's a 2-hour movie. I think it's just at 4 or 5 or something. I forgot. And then depends how late it is when I get home, and then if it's not late, I will do a video once in my traveling bag. So yeah, and thank you guys so much for your support on my channel. I can't believe it, I'm growing so fast. I'm like on the road to 970 subscribers, and this get me to 1K by the summer, by May or June. I will be so like grateful and stuff, and like I will be so freaking grateful. And I'm not worrying about like getting monetized. Right now I'm just focusing on growing my channel and supporting others, and I'm not gonna worry about thumbs down either. I'm not gonna pay attention to that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini pre-talking video for my upcoming TravelingBlogs this weekend. And it's gonna be a blast. I haven't seen my friend since last year, I think it was. So it's gonna be amazing. And I'm gonna take my new GoPro camera with me because it's gonna be amazing, and it's gonna be longer videos. So I don't use my phone to take videos because of the storage, but I take like mini vlogs or pictures on my YouTube, you know, like YouTube shorts. So that's what I do. And then, so yeah. So hope you guys have a good, happy Wednesday. And then, when is today? Yeah, Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. And then I will see you guys later on today. And then this weekend, and stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this mini pre-talking video. And then stay tuned for tonight. And then I'm gonna start my traveling journey. So this is not a series 1 vlog 1. This is just a pre-talking video because I want to start the series 1 and vlog 1 tonight. So it's just a pre-talking what videos I want to do and stuff. So I will see you guys tonight after I come back home from the movies, and I'm gonna let you guys know the preview, like 5 out of 10, like how the movie is, in my video as well, and let you guys know. So hope you guys have a happy Wednesday, and thank you guys for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, hit the notification bell so I can think. So bye guys.